Today, it's simply tasty baked taco casserole. Preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Spray with a non-stick spray, a 9 by 13 oven-ready casserole dish. Cook the ground beef or chicken with the chopped onion until nice and brown, probably that 7 to 10 minutes. Add your taco seasoning mix. Cook this through probably 3 to 4 more minutes and then reduce the heat. Then add your tin of refried beans, the green chilies, the olives, and of course about a cup or so of salsa. Cook this down for 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture is warmed through. Top with half of your ground beef mixture and then top it with some cheese. And then of course, let's repeat that one more time. Cook this through for 35 to 40 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. Let's rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting and then serve on a plate or in a bowl and top with your favorite toppings. Serve with extra chips, salsa, and guacamole. Enjoy.